welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Iddah Mapenzi and this is my channel, and I love you guys so much. If you're new here, welcome. We love you so much. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you so much and welcome back. Please guys, remember to like, share and subscribe. And yes guys, today I'm going to talk about menstrual health or menstrual hygiene. And a disclaimer, whatever I'm going to talk about here, the things I've googled, I have experienced, my friends have experienced. So babes, if you don't fall under that bracket or in that bracket, whatever I'm supposed to say, I'm sorry. Or if I'm not going to mention what you're experiencing, I'm also sorry. You can just comment down below and we move. And another thing guys, you're going to hear some background noise. I have no control over that, and I'll be reading some tips on my notebook. Yes. So the first thing about menstruation, you have to know your flow. You have to identify your flow. What do I mean? I mean like you have to study your flow. You have to know what time of the month your flow comes, how your flow comes, when it will end. This is essential during your menstrual hygiene, because you have to be prepared for your flow. You have to know, if I'm going to have my periods for a week, I need enough sanitary towels for a week. I need enough blah 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 for a week. You have to prepare yourself. So yeah. Another thing, you have to identify the type of flow you have. This is essential because it helps you know the type of sanitary pads you're going to purchase. Let me give you a tip of some of the sanitary towels you will need during your flow. Panty liners. These are Cortex panty liners. Tampons, my favorite, OB tampons. Okay, you necessarily don't have to use the brands I use. Always pads. Yeah. Another thing about your flow, you have to identify the signs you'll have. You have like some of the signs that you're going to have during your menstrual periods are tender breasts, skin breaking out. Some people tend to have clearer skin during that time of the month. You're tired but you can't sleep, cramps, constipation or diarrhea, bloated and gassy stomach, headache, mood swings, anxiety or depression, and pain on your lower back. Yeah, those are some of the signs you're going to encounter with, and you can control some of these signs by one, exercising a lot during, after, and always. This is essential because when you exercise a lot, your body, you help yourself kwanza. Another thing, a lot of exercise or exercising regularly helps your periods. You don't have those extreme period days, I don't know, 1 week, no. And babes, if you're having your periods for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, you are not normal. See your gynecologist, you need help. If you're having extreme cramping, go see your gynecologist. It might be endometriosis. Okay, yeah, go see your doctor. And don't take someone else's cramps prescription. I think cramps prescription. Go see your own doctor. Let him or her prescribe a medication for your cramps or pain relief, menstrual pain relief. Don't take someone else's dosage. Don't do that. What works for me can't work for you. See a doctor. Another thing, during your menstrual periods or cycle, avoid tight clothing or fabrics that don't let you breathe. They can cause increased moisture and heat, increasing bacteria that will tend to thrive and cause you infections, and we don't want that. Stick to cotton and loose fitting clothes to stay fresh and dry, and that's a period. Another thing, avoid sugar, salt, alcohol, spicy foods, red meat. Avoid drinking a lot of coffee. Avoid meals that you don't tolerate. High caffeine content can accelerate your pain and also contribute to breast tenderness. If you have to take coffee, take them in small amounts. These foods I'm mentioning up here: sugar, salt, alcohol, spicy foods, and red meat. Take them in small content. Don't overuse them. Meaning, the notion that you people should take chocolates should dry. Because okay, I've never understood the connection between chocolates and crumbs, but okay, let's move. During your periods, your hormones may stimulate muscle contractions in the intestines and bowels, which are close to the uterus, causing frequent bowel movements. So for you who experience frequent bowel movements, now you know it is normal. It is very normal, and I've explained why. You can wax while on your period, but be aware that you will have a sensitive pubic area. While doing my shaving video, I had mentioned it is wise to shave before your period, because it is also going to be easier for you to clean that area while it's shaved. But it's a lot of work going to shave during your period, because you fear your blood might be coming out during waxing. You fear your area is going to be so sensitive. It's just going to be too uncomfortable. So guys, if you're the babe who does last minute things, please do this before or maybe after, because it's really so unrealistic waxing during your period. Like, wow. Then black blood is usually blood that's taking some extra time to leave the uterus. So if you are seeing black blood during your periods, that's so normal. Don't be afraid. And then if you're going to use tampons or pads, change your pads or tampons in a period of 3 to 4 hours, because more so if you have heavy flows, to avoid bad odor. No one wants to smell like a rotten rat. So please make sure you set an alarm, and after 4 hours you change your tampons or your pads. Clean babes do that. Okay, about tampons get pushed out because you have the wrong size. It's so unrealistic. You've never used a tampon, and instead of going for this size, this mini size, which I love so much because it's so pocket friendly, I can easily just take one and put it in my purse. Look at how small this size is. This is the tiny mini size, the mini size. You are a fresher on pads and you're going for this size. It's so unrealistic. It's going to come out most, because at first they really tend to feel a bit uncomfortable because you're not used to it, but once you get used to it, tampons are a babe. You can never go back to pads. But one thing I'll advise, don't use tampons at night. Why? If you sleep for longer than 8 hours, you could be at a high risk of toxic shock syndrome, TSS, which is a rare, potentially fatal condition that requires urgent medical attention, and no one wants to go through that. So if you're the babe who likes sleeping with tampons, beware. Stop doing that, because I'm sure you're going to sleep for roughly 10 to see how many hours. Stop doing that, please. Use your pads at night, use your tampons during the day. That's what I do, and it works for me. I love these pads because they're extra thick and extra long for the night, because that means I'm not going to have any stains on my bed sheets, my mattress, blah blah blah. I use these panty liners from Cortex when my flow has reduced, like, you know, that time when the flow goes this way. Just that's my flow is the type that when I've flowed, then the last days, today it will not come, tomorrow that it comes, you know. So just beware. This will save you. And I also love this size from Cortex because they have single wrapped panty liners that I can literally also put in my purse. So yeah, and this is the part I was waiting for. For those of you who have sex during menstruation, yes, it is healthy, it is very healthy, but make sure you are clean. You wash before and you wash after, and that means you're going to have a lot of mess around wherever you're going to use. So use a lot of towels, or you can do it in the bathroom somewhere. Okay, Malisa, you just take a shower and you're done. If you're going to do it on your bed or on your seat or on the floor, make sure you use a lot of towels, because you don't want things getting stains. And don't have sex with your tampons. Don't. Some of you are sick in the head. Don't have sex with your tampons, and change your panties regularly after 3 months, as I had advised during my shaving video. I'll put the link to that shaving video here because it's essential at this point. And then make sure before handling any area around your vagina, you wash your hands. Drink a lot of water. Water is essential as it's going to help, I don't know, let me read this. Water is essential. Why? Because it helps reduce bloating during your periods and elevate the pain it causes. So if you are a babe who experiences bloating or gassing in your stomach or constipation, this is going to help you. So I love you guys so much. Please continue liking, sharing, and subscribing to this channel like you've never. And then tell a friend to tell a friend. I know it has been a while since the last time I was here, but I'm back like I never left. I've been having a lot of things going on, but yeah. And you're going to see 3 more videos or 2 more videos with this same fit. I don't care, this is my channel. Yeah, today I'm planning to do like 3 contents, or I plan to do content for the whole month just once, because it's really hectic working and vlogging and doing videos and what. And yes, I will be doing collabs soon. Yeah, I'm still getting my timetable right and stuff and organizing, but yeah. So I love you guys so much. Comment down below whatever you feel I haven't mentioned, and yeah, peace. Namuoge, bathe. Rule number 1 about menstruation: bathe. Cotton panties, bathe. Clean pads, period. Love you.